series, our team will start making short videos about the weird things in Kali Linux from today. This video is one of them. Today we are going to look at the undercover mode of Kali Linux in this video. Let's talk about that. Why is this undercover mode introduced? To dull unwanted attention when using Kali Linux in public places, Kali Linux developers have introduced a user interface similar to the Windows 10 GUI. How to turn on undercover mode? You must first switch to the Xfce GUI. So, log out of the account. Then click on the gear icon at the bottom right and click on the Xfce session. Then, log back into the account. Now type undercover mode in the search bar and click on the result. The result is amazing. As you can see, it is similar to the Windows 10 user interface. To go back to the previous state, search for undercover